Working on lighthouses has allowed me to travel and see some of the remotest and most beautiful parts of the country. There are quite a few of us who enjoy being outdoors, so after work we sometimes go running, hiking, cycling, swimming, fishing and kayaking. Hi, my name's Phil. I work for Trinity House as a project engineer, and my main job purpose is to upgrade the lighthouses on a 20-year rota. For my role, a degree in an engineering discipline is required. However, due to my apprenticeship and job experience, I was promoted to this position and allowed to gain my degree retrospectively with full support. I left school at 16 and went to a local college and studied a national certificate in electronic engineering. This opened up the opportunity to apply for an apprenticeship with Trinity House, and 18 months into the apprenticeship I was promoted to be a field operations technician. I was then promoted to project engineer 7 years later on. This job has varied working hours. If I'm in the office, then it's a typical Monday to Friday 9 till 5. If I'm working away on a lighthouse re-engineering project, then I can be away for up to 3 weeks. There are sometimes smaller pieces of work that crop up and require work in the odd weekend. There are multiple progression routes through the company right up to senior management level. There are also opportunities to transition across from different departments, such as an office-based engineer becoming a ship's engineer and vice versa. The working environment at Trinity House is quite relaxed, with either uniform polo tops worn or typical office wear. We have dress down Fridays, and many staff go out for lunch on a Friday to one of the local pubs. There is a good balance between team working and solo working. Typically on a lighthouse project there will be one civil, one mechanical and one electrical engineer, so although it's a team effort, there are portions of work which you complete yourself. My job role is split 50-50 between project management and engineering, so if I'm not the project manager on a lighthouse project, then I'll be the electrical engineer. So a typical day as a project manager, I would be reviewing installation progress by reading site diary sheets and photographs sent in daily. I'd be keeping an eye on any site issues and working to resolve these. As an engineer, I'd be developing the design of the next lighthouse project, marking up technical drawings and testing equipment in the lab to ensure it's fit for purpose. I also get to occasionally fly to the lighthouses in a helicopter, which makes the journey more exciting and provides great photo opportunities. One thing we look for in someone starting a role like this is the willpower to give anything a go. Because we work in remote locations, you need someone who's willing to try and fix a problem when they crop up, despite the skill set required. It could be a broken window or an oil spill that an electrical engineer like myself may need to fix, even if it's just a temporary repair.